Notion AI is a powerful AI tool that can help you with a variety of tasks including writing, research, and project management. It uses a variety of AI techniques to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. How to use Notion AI? To use Notion AI, simply create a Notion account and then navigate to the AI page. From there, you can start using any of the AI features such as the text generator, translator, or creative writing assistant. Features of Notion AI. Notion AI offers a variety of features including text generator. Text generator can help you write blog posts, articles, emails, and other types of content. Simply provide the AI with the prompt and it will generate text for you. Translator. The translator can translate text between over 20 languages. Simply enter the text you want to translate and the AI will translate it into the desired language. Creative Writing Assistant. The Creative Writing Assistant can help you write poems, scripts, musical pieces, and other types of creative content. Simply provide the AI with the prompt and it will generate creative text for you. AI Assist. AI Assist is a built-in editor that offers a variety of AI-powered features such as grammar checking, spelling correction, and summarization. Benefits of Notion AI. Notion AI offers a number of benefits including save time and efforts, improve your productivity, generate more creative content, learn new things. Conclusion. Notion AI is a powerful tool that can help you with a variety of tasks. It is easy to use and offers a number of benefits including save time and efforts, improving productivity, generating more creative content, and learning new things. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.